Welcome again, Tecnoguías. In this video, I am going to show you how you can earn more points with Microsoft Rewards. The first thing we are going to do is go to the Microsoft browser. Okay, we are going to enter Microsoft Rewards and we can see these options. I press the second options. You just have to go log in, and once you log in, you will scan the QR code and send cell phone to how to earn through being search. We also have level 1, for example, and which is 3 points. The search maximum 13 points per day, 1 point for every 1 spent. We have the second level at level 2 plus Xbox Game Pass Unlimited. Here they can give your pass and this which much more. You have to scan that code that will be you are going to here to where it says the first option start to game, login, and that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us.